Hi everyone, I'm glad to share that my first book, LangChain in Your Pocket Beginner's Guide to Building Generative AI Applications Using LLMs, is available now on Amazon, and you can check the link in the description below. Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about how you can save your LangChain outputs into a log file and enable logging for your LangChain app. So let's get started. First of all, you need to pip install Loguru and LangChain. Once you are done, you need to import callback. That's the most important part. That is file callback handler that I'm using for creating a log file and saving the logs. Apart from that, other important functions that you need for your app, you should install it and also import logger. Once then I'm using, in this particular example, I'm using Hugging Face Hub model. So for that, you need to create a read token API. If you're using OpenAI, that's great. That I've already explained how you can use a Hugging Face API token for loading LLM that is free to use. That is, I'm also using it. You can check out my previous video or the book itself. Now, after that, I'm loading the Flan T5 base model and then naming the log file as output.log. As you can see in the logger, I'm adding the log file, colorization, and enqueue. Once done, I'm calling the callback file handler and creating a callback object. So basically, this is enabling callbacks. So callbacks are nothing but very similar to TensorFlow Keras callbacks, where you can log events, you can do multiple things when the operation is going on, right? So after that, I'm creating my LLM chain object using prompt template and LLM chain, passing the LLM, the prompt, etc. So these are things that I've already discussed, not jumping onto that, and then running the chain, right? Now, once I'm running the chain, I'm calling the logger.info answer, and then as you can see in the output, you're getting an output Buenos Aires for the country, the capital of the country is Argentina, and all the information gets logged into a file called as output.log. Now, once you see it, see, all the information how entering a new LM chain, prompt after formatting, all the information has been stored in the output.log. This can be very, very helpful in error handling and to grab important information. For more codes and all other use cases that I've covered on the YouTube channel, you can check out the book that I've mentioned in the first comment. Thank you.